Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload workout to MyWhoosh. So use the web-based MyWhoosh workout builder or sync them via a third-party connection like Training Peaks or direct manual file import, or you can create it in the app. So let's jump right into it. Into the first method. We have three methods to go through. Now, the first method is the primary way to manually add specific workout file to your account. So log into it, access to your MyWhoosh workout editor here on your web. Now click, just a moment, where it is now. So you can import here some options, so you can time spent, overall distance, oral elevation. Let's say just like that, something like that. Next, and now you can import, you choose file from your computer. It supports ZWO, ERG or MRC file. When you are done with that, just hit save, and the workout will automatically appear in your custom workouts folder inside the MyWhoosh app. Now, the easiest option is if you have option to Training Peaks account. So this is the most seamless way to push, so that you connect Training Peaks with the MyWhoosh and your training will be synchronized directly into MyWhoosh app. Then the last method we have is the in-app custom workout creation. So let's jump right into the app. Now we are in MyWhoosh app. So we are going here to the workout, just like that. And now you can go here to the My Workout. You will see here, if you imported from the previous two methods workouts, you will see them there. If you didn't yet do that yet, you can click here at the bottom left corner. I don't know if you see it, so I will try to show you here just a moment. So now I think you need to see here the create workout button. So click on that, and just like that, you will see here that you can set up your zones. Then you can play a little bit with that one here. You can move around these things just like that. You can remove it. You can add workout title. Then you can set FTP, watts, or watt per kilograms. And when you are done, just click button done here at the bottom, and you will create yourself an workout like I did it right over here, for example. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.